In mere moments, here on the Cedar Boardwalk, a harrowing high dive will be performed before your very eyes. Now, those of you who are sitting back on the grass there, if you are willing and able, I do ask you to move up so that our diver can get the audience he deserves. Now, let's meet our diver. Everyone, please give it up for Elaine LeVay! Oh, you can do better than that. Please give it up for Elaine! Don't think you're unnoticed, Grand Pavilion. Yes, there you are. Now, each and every one of you is familiar with the discipline of diving. You may have even done it yourself. What? Do you know its origins? Believe it or not, ever since there were cliffs, rocks, and deep waters, there has been diving. Records of Egyptians and Romans doing this sport date back to 400 AD, which is almost as old as Elaine here. Later on, true to their reputation as warriors, Vikings were fearless divers. In the 18th century, the warriors of Kamehameha, the first king of Hawaii, dove into the turquoise ocean as a test of courage and in honor of their gods. Today, you will get to see one of the best high divers in the world, standing tall on the... Elaine is supposed to dive from the 25-foot and then the 40. Oh, he's going... No, stay there, you're already there. Anyways, standing tall on the 40-foot high platform, please give it up for Elaine! Give it up for Elaine, Pavilion! There you are. Now, Elaine, what dive are you going to do for us from up there? Does anyone speak French? Belly flop! This fellow says belly flop! Is that true? A belly flop! A double front somersault with a half twist! Let's see it, folks! Yes! Woo! Now, this guy may not be a Viking, but he is one of the most experienced high divers out there. Oh, he thinks he's a Viking. Vikings have long hair, Elaine, and you probably got any. Yes, you can be a pirate in that outfit, yes. Well, get back up there, you've got another dive to do. He thinks it's the Elaine show and not the high dive show. Well, he may not be a Viking, but he is one of the most experienced high divers out there. Elaine was born and raised in France and has been high diving all over the world for more than 30 years. Elaine conquered many terrains, from the mean cliffs of Acapulco, Mexico, to the Prince Rainier's Palace in Monaco. He even dove off the top of a crater created by the fall of a meteorite by the sea in Oman. As of right now, he is headed once again towards the 40-foot high platform. Now, folks, diving is a difficult discipline. I'm not sure what he'll do once he's up there, and he may need a moment to gather himself. He's just climbed up 40 feet of trust. That is quite a feat. Now, let's ask him what kind of dive he's going to do next. Now, Elaine, which dive will you do second? Directly to the top. That is no, that's a terrible idea. You're going to hurt yourself. You need to warm up first. That is the worst warm-up I have ever seen. Well, I don't think you should do it. No, you shouldn't.
Yeah!
Well, I won't say I told you so. You're going to hurt yourself. Yes, you're going to hurt yourself. I hope not too, but you're going to do it. He's going for it anyway, folks. Yeah. Be careful, Elaine. The ladder is very, very slippery. Elaine. Elaine, are you there? Make a splash or something so we know you're... There he is! Splash! Everyone, give it up for Elaine! Please, still! folks, he says that every time. Now, I ask you to lift your sight towards the top of the ladder. As you can see, there is one tiny platform located at 80 feet of height. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do you want a plane to climb up and dive off of that platform?
Yeah!
Oh, you're gonna have to do better than that. Do you want to like to climb up and dive off of that platform? Well, I guess you have to do it, Elaine. They say so. She was supposed to. Who's she? Oh, she's being shy. She's being shy now, so he has to do it. Very nice. He'll do it. He's so generous that way. Now, as he's making his way up there, I'll give you a few interesting facts about his final dive. As mentioned before, the platform is located at how many feet of height? Shout it out! 80. Very nice. You all were listening. 80 feet of height, folks. That's 80 feet from this midway you're standing on right here. Now, can I get a show of hands? Anyone ridden the Iron Dragon roller coaster? Wow, quite a few of you now. The Iron Dragon comes in at 76 feet. This is 4 feet taller than the Iron Dragon roller coaster, folks. Now, once he's up there, the pool is going to look a lot smaller for him. He will have to aim at the center of the pool as if it were a target. Any kind of idea what kind of speeds he might reach as he is descending? Shout out some guesses. 40 miles per hour. It's higher than that.
Too fast.
I heard 50, and then I heard 60. Was that you, young lady? Great guess. It's 60 miles per hour. Great guess. He might reach 60 miles per hour with only 10 feet of water to stop his flow, folks. 10 feet. That is this width of this stage I'm standing on right here. Can you imagine being in a car going 60 miles per hour with only 10 feet to stop? Some of your cars can't even go 60 miles per hour. I know. I've driven behind you. Now, this is quite a feat. Quite a feat for anyone. Does anyone out there think they could do it? Show of hands. Oh, you have a few brave souls. Very nice, very nice. It's quite a feat for anyone. But especially for someone of Elaine's age. Well, let's ask him how old he is. I don't quite know. Elaine, how old are you again? I said, how old are you? He's mid-death. Folks, he says he's 27. Have you ever figured that? No. Oh, you have a few very optimistic friends, but I heard you have 30 years of experience, Ellen. So 30 plus 27, any smart folks in the audience know what that is? Yes, you. 57 is correct, so you're telling me that is a 57-year-old man. Do we have any 57-year-olds in this audience here? 57, anyone 57? You, wow, you don't look a day over 30. 57 now, he's going up there and he's going to dive off. That's 80 feet from this midway here, folks. That is wild. Now, he's taking that moment to gather himself, as I told you all about. He needs a moment to make sure he's safe. Now, if he gestures for applause, I want you to let him hear it all the way up there at 80 feet. But if he asks you to be quiet, I do ask that you remain silent so that he can focus. Excuse me. Now, folks, he's getting himself together, getting ready for this dive. I think he's ready, so let's hear it for him!